Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Coral Protocol token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Coral is the native token of the Coral Protocol, that infrastructure layer for AI agent collaboration. Coral enables agents to communicate, coordinate, and transact across frameworks. Coral powers agent-to-agent payments, session execution, and reputation scoring, fueling a decentralized ecosystem where intelligent agents work together autonomously. Coral Protocol token total supply is 9.99 billion and circulating supply is around 8.55 billion Coral token. Coral token is listed on MEX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.